Good morning, students. Welcome back to our lesson. Today, we are going to start your geography lesson number 4, that is climate. Children, this year I told you already that we are supposed to make a comparative study of India and Brazil. So, here also, in this lesson, also, we are going to compare climatic conditions of both country, that is India and Brazil. To start with your lesson, you can see very clearly the map of Brazil is given. The physical relief map of Brazil is given about annual average rainfall, and some questions are also given. So observe the map and we'll answer the question. Children, already you know the physiography of Brazil, which is divided into 5 parts. You must remember those points, that what is the physical division of Brazil. Now, on the basis of that physical division, we are supposed to answer the following questions. So first we will see figure 4.1. Children, before I start, you know that rainfall for any country is very important. In India, we witness monsoon season or rainy season, which brings rainfall in our country. During monsoon, the rainfall is there and we receive maximum rainfall in our country. In your previous classes, you have already studied about isotherms. Isotherms, a line drawn on map joining places of equal temperature all over the world. Children, these terms you should remember that isohelins, isotherms, isoheight, all these words are related to map, equal distribution of different type of physical reliefs on the surface of map or on the surface of planet. So first we will see, observe figure 4.1 and see the first question. Considering the isotherms of Brazil, what is the average range of temperature in Brazil? If you'll observe this map, you go to your index, you can see the numbers are given. Annual average rainfall in millimeter. So you can see the deep blue above 3000, then 2500, then 2000, then 1500, then 1000, and lowest is 500. And accordingly, shading is there on the map. So you can observe on the northern part of Brazil, you can see 28 degrees Celsius. It is given in 3 parts. So average range of temperature, that means if any place is having equal number of temperature or having maximum temperature in some parts, same temperature, or line drawn on map joining places of equal temperature. So in northern part you can observe 28 degree, 28 degree and 28 degree given in 3 areas or 3 parts of northern part of Brazil. So 28 degree will be the average range of temperature in Brazil. Understood? Now come to second question. In which area does it rain more? You know very well that northern part of Brazil is occupied by Amazon forest. That is the forest which receives maximum rainfall. So what will be your answer? Amazon river basin. In which area does it more? So whatever I am telling you, take out your pencil and write it there itself besides your question. So it will be easy for you to remember while while observing your map, you can answer it very well. So take out your pencil and write down besides your question. So first question, the answer will be 28 degree. Now come to second question. Answer will be Amazon river basin. In which area does it rain more? Amazon river basin. Understood? Now come to your Third question. From which directions are winds flowing towards Brazil? See, children, if the question is from which directions are wind flowing towards Brazil? Can you see right side of Brazil, that is southeast and northeast? Can you see blue arrows? So those are the winds coming from those direction. That is, your answer will be from southeast and northeast. Understood? So write down beside that question southeast and northeast. You can easily observe the blue arrow which is coming towards Brazil from southeast direction and northeast direction. Now come to next question.